Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up JWT authentication for mobile apps step by step clearly. To set up JWT authentication for mobile apps, start by understanding what JWT is. JWT, or JSON Web Token, is a compact method for securely transmitting information. Begin by installing the necessary libraries for JWT. If you're using Node.js, install the JSON Web Token package. For Python, you can use the pyjwt library. Next, create a user model in your backend. This model should include fields like username and password. Once your user model is ready, implement a registration endpoint. This endpoint will allow new users to create accounts. In the registration function, hash the user's password for security. Utilize libraries like bcrypt for hashing passwords. Now, set up a login endpoint that will authenticate users. When users attempt to log in, verify their credentials. If the credentials are valid, generate a JWT. Use the JSON Web Token library to create the token. Include necessary user information within the token's payload. Now, return the JWT to the user upon successful login. Store this token on the client side of your mobile app. You can use async storage in React Native or shared preferences in Android. To access protected routes, include the JWT in request headers. Add an authorization header with the format bearer your _ token. On the server, create middleware to verify the token. Check the token's validity and extract user information from it. If the token is invalid, return an error response. For valid tokens, allow access to the requested resource. Ensure that your app handles token expiration appropriately. Implement a refresh token mechanism if needed. This will allow users to remain logged in without frequent re-authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.